It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we've done it again. We've got a 44-foot Lancer Pilothouse Motorsailer. Great looking boat, great for the Pacific Northwest, great accommodations in this boat, and realistically priced. Owners have had this for the last 30 years, and they're retiring from boating at this point, and they want to get this sold. Realistically priced a pair of Perkins diesels with feathering propellers, so great for Northwest cruising. You can power it from the Pilothouse, and there's outside steering that you'll see in my videos. We do our signature outside video. We'll do an inside video, engine startup for you too. It's got roller furling jib. It's got self-tacking jib for easy sail handling, and all the controls go into the Pilothouse for easy use. It also has a full roller furling mainsail with a double spreader rig. If you look up there, you'll see two sets of spreaders. It's a great looking boat, nicely put together, nicely built. It's a 1981. Easy on and off. It has a transom swim platform. It has an old dinghy that goes with the boat. It also has a gate here that you can get aboard. It's a Lancer 44 in 1981. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're bonded and licensed in Washington State, and we're certified brokers in British Columbia. Been in business for over 30 years now. This is a Canadian boat residing in U.S. waters, available for sale today. Let's climb into onboard here. Show you the back of the boat quickly as we walked all the way around it. It's got self-tailing winches for the main sheet, or the Traveler, I believe it is. There's the steering station out back. Full transom access door, so you can back it up, get on and off the boat easily. Nice to have a transom door on a boat of this vintage. Controls for both port and starboard engines, makes for easy docking and for fast powering. Cruise 9 knots easily. And it will sail very quickly too. It's got a big sail plan. At one time, this boat was a race winner of the Ensenada race down in California back in the 80s. 1981 Lancer 44, 604-708-1980. Give me a call. We'd love to hear from you. Please watch my inside videos and my startup videos of this boat. Thanks again.